If you forgot the password to your Redmi A7 Pro and now you don't have access to your phone, in order to fix this, you can simply perform the factory reset of the device by using the recovery mode. Of course, as a result, everything that you have on your phone is going to be erased. Unless, of course, you have some kind of like a backup or something. But other than that, everything that you have on your phone is going to be removed. So if you are certain that you want to perform that you want to hard reset your phone in order to try to get access to your phone back again, what you can do is, first let me show you how to go to the recovery mode. So in this case, we can just simply restart our phone. We're gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time, and this opens the power menu. And in here, you want to slide down to the reboot option. But once you do that, you want to press and hold the volume up button, and you want to keep holding volume up button all the time until you see the recovery mode. So even if you see the Xiaomi logo on the screen, you still want to keep holding the volume up button. And there we go. Once you are in the recovery mode, this is how it looks like. Then in here, you can navigate by using volume buttons. And of course, you want to choose the wipe data option. Confirm by using the power button, you want to press it. Then over here, choose wipe all data, and once again confirm by pressing the power button. After that, if you are back into the main menu of recovery mode, you want to restart your phone, so choose the reboot option and just press power. Then once again choose reboot to system and confirm by once again using the power button. Your phone is going to reboot, go back to the normal mode, and of course you will see the initial configuration one more time. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.